Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a spaghetti pasta with tomato and chicken. So in a large pan, I'm going to add some oil, and I've diced 3 chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, diced into small pieces. I'm going to brown the chicken until it's nice and golden brown. So I've possibly cooking this chicken for about 5 to 8 minutes. Make sure it's cooked on both sides. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. So this chicken seasoning has got a little bit of salt, and so there's no need to add salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper, and then just cook through with the spices. So I prefer my chicken to be nice and golden brown. You can cook your chicken for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 small onion that is diced into small pieces. I'm going to cook the onion with the chicken for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding cherry tomatoes from my garden. This is about 25 cherry tomatoes. You can use less. I'm just using 25 or more because I've got them in the garden. So I'm using the tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes for about 2 minutes and until they start to soften up. And then you squash the tomatoes when they are soft enough. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also adding chicken seasoning on the tomatoes. Yeah, chicken is just for flavor, chicken seasoning. Now the tomatoes are starting to break down. I'm going to squash them. And look at that, they are starting to make the sauce, the tomato sauce. In a large pot, I'm cooking pasta, so I'll add salt in the water, and I'm cooking my spaghetti. So you can cook your spaghetti according to the packet that instructions. Well, while the spaghetti is cooking, I'm going to add half a cup of chicken stock into my chicken sauce and then mix through and simmer until the sauce is starting to thicken. So simmer the chicken for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and while the pasta is cooking. Now I'm going to add some basil that I've diced and then mix through the basil. And then I'm going to add the spaghetti. So add the spaghetti. And then mix through with the sauce. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then mix through the cheese, and here you have it, nice and creamy. Tomato spaghetti with chicken. Thank you for watching. Bye.